Hello, everyone on YouTube that watches my videos. It has been a long time since I have been able to film last. I've been really busy. My semester is coming to an end. I have a lot of papers to do. I'm actually working on some right now. But I have done a lot. You want to see something that I just built? And normally if you went to a store, you'd have to pay maybe $150 to $200 for it. Well, I took it into my own hands to build my own, so I wouldn't have to spend that much money. Da da da. I don't know if you can see it that well, but it is a cat thingy-majigger. Don't know what they're really called, but you know, completely covered in carpet. It's got extra support, not on this one though, but this one's okay. It's even got something, little thing hanging down from here, so you can play with it. And the top is concave, and it has padding, as you can see with all the lumps. It's actually pretty well padded. I don't know if concaved is the right word. It's curved. A simple way of putting it. Yeah. Took me about 3 days to build completely. The supplies, I used scrap wood that my dad had. So, I mean, it's sturdy wood. It's just wood, extra leftover wood. And the carpet I got for, I want to say like $30. Yeah, something like that. So that wasn't a bad price. I mean, that was actually really good for what it is. Why is there no cat on it? Maybe because they're lame? No. I don't know. They play on it every once in a while. When I say they, I mean Princess and Shadow. Shadow mainly. Princess is too old and lazy to get on to it. But right now I'm actually working on writing a final essay. Speech. I'm working on the second one. I have 2 questions to answer. Question 1 and question 2, you know. I also have this. All of this for one speech for electrical. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 papers worth of material. So I gotta do that. And then I have this, which is Auto 131 Fundamentals and Parallel Circuits. That's a test for parallel circuits, basically. So yeah, having loads of fun today. Yeah. Ooh. I delivered tonight, so I'll film myself for that. I might have a friend coming, and if you guys watch my other channel, PRTV 410 Videos, you should know who this person is. I think I just saw someone walking outside. But anyways, I'll see you when I turn the camera on again. Okay, I was working on my speech, or not my speech, my essay, and I heard my dog whining because I forgot to let him in. Hey, go to the kitchen. Okay. He's not the wisest dog. He doesn't understand hand motions. I'm gonna try and let him in the kitchen. See if he comes. Fast dog. Alright, I think he went into his crate. He's not a smart dog. I am still working on my essay. Essay! Oh, yep, he went into his crate. It's right there. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing, Toasty? Huh? 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 I wonder what he would do if I set him on that cat thing. I just got a text message. Hold on 1 second. Come here, Toasty. Come here. Come here. Come here. Okay. Yep, I got him. Now, onto the cat thing. Dun, 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 dun. I think I slept in pee. Get up. Now, what are you gonna do? Instead of shake. Are you scared? Watch this. I bet you if I leave him alone, he's gonna jump off. He's gonna stop shaking. Here, well, I'm gonna set you on this so I can get this on camera. Alright. Okay, so apparently he doesn't want to move. I'm gonna give him a little bit of encouragement. Go. Go. Go! He is terrified. Go. Go. Wrong way. You do not see that? Yeah, see? Go down. There we go. Now try and do another one. There we go. Yay! And he went under the couch. I am now going to work on fundamentals of parallel circuits and all that. While I watch a movie. I'm a bad person. Don't do this, guys. The only reason I'm doing it is because I can't watch it after work because it has to be returned today and before I go to work. So I'm just gonna do both these at the same time. Wish me luck. So I'm on my first delivery. I got most of my work done. I'm actually pleased with how much work I got done. Still have a little bit more, but I can get that done shortly in like a few days. I mean, yeah, I'll probably get it done Sunday. Something interesting, my brother's gonna be delivering too. So it's gonna be me and my bro doing the same show, yo. We're gonna be driving around and round and round the town, giving out orders and getting up tips, y'all. It's funny because this is the first time it never happened. First time it ever happened. So we'll see how it happens. How it goes. I'll tell you what happens on this one. Alrighty. First delivery, and I'm going the wrong way. But I got a tip of $0.00. I'm not surprised, and I'm not too disappointed. I'm disappointed, but I'm not too surprised. It was some kid, and the order was so cheap. I just would be surprised if he had a tip, because it was $11.40. He literally gave me $11.40 and change. Not $12, just $11.40. But whatever, y'all. You know what I'm saying, y'all? I don't care. I don't care. I'ma live my life like I live my life, you know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna take another delivery, y'all. Yeah? Make some money that way, y'all. Alright. Off for another delivery. Well, not yet. I'm going back. Alright, so, yeah, see you in next delivery. Alright. On another delivery. And you know how the 240 is like my, favorite drift car, I guess. The car I'm trying to get. Well, I just saw one in the parking lot of where I work, and it was it wasn't a KOK, it was a Zenki. It was an S14, and that's what I plan on getting. And I wasn't done writing down stuff on about this order that I have to write down just to keep tabs on what my orders are and who I did it. But anyways, I had to finish, and then I finished, and when I tried to find the 240, I couldn't find the 240. I was so upset. I was like, oh, the 240. But yeah, right now I'm on another delivery. Got 2 deliveries. Right now I'm making one, and then I'm going to make the second one immediately after. You about to see this. You got to see how this goes down, son. I don't know if you can see me. I probably look retarded. Arcadios wanted to tag along, so now he's doing a delivery. Let's see what he's doing. Tip?
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay, Arcadios needed me to pull over to his house real quick to let him get a phone charger for his phone. And I said okay. But he's taking really long, and I'm considering leaving him. Because I need to go. Make a delivery. Yeah. My past few deliveries have been pretty good. I've gotten pretty good tips. If you know what I'm saying, you know, I'm getting tips. All I'm doing, getting tips. It's like, yeah. So if anybody's in college, like this video and be a pimp.
Decisions, but I want it all, so I get it all. I wanna eat the whole cake. I'm not sharing. You should have learned how to bake.